Deep in the vastness of the universe lies a cosmic wonder known as the ghost of Jupiter. But what is this mysterious object, and why does it carry such a haunting name? Meet NGC 3242, also known as the ghost of Jupiter, the I Nebula, or Caldwell 59. This celestial object is a planetary nebula located in the constellation Hydra. Discovered by astronomer William Herschel on February 7, 1785, and later observed from the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa in the 1830s, this nebula has captivated stargazers for centuries. So, why the eerie nickname, Ghost of Jupiter? It's because this nebula's round shape resembles the planet Jupiter. To some, it also appears like a ghostly eye staring back at you from deep space. Imagine looking through a telescope and seeing a pale blue, otherworldly eye in the night sky. It's no wonder that NGC 3242 has earned multiple names, each reflecting its unique appearance. Some call it the I Nebula because it looks like a giant cosmic eye floating among the stars. This nebula stretches about 2 light-years across from end to end. That's almost 12 trillion miles. At its core is a white dwarf star with an apparent magnitude of 11. This dying star is what remains after it shed its outer layers, creating the beautiful structure we see today. The inner layers of the nebula are believed to have formed around 1,500 years ago, and on both ends of NGC 3242, you'll find what astronomers call flyers, fast low ionization emission regions. These are lobes of rapidly moving gas that often appear red in false color images, giving the nebula its distinct dynamic look. NGC 3242 is a favorite among amateur astronomers. It can be easily seen through a backyard telescope. Most observers describe it as having a soft blue-green hue, but with larger telescopes, you can even make out its outer halo. For those with powerful telescopes, the ghost of Jupiter transforms from a faint blue dot into a detailed and mesmerizing celestial object, with layers upon layers of cosmic history on display. At the heart of this nebula lies a unique and fascinating star, a hot, bluish-white O-type star. O-type stars are some of the hottest and most massive stars in the universe, burning with a fierce intensity. In the case of NGC 3242, this central star has a spectral type of OH, indicating its specific characteristics within the O-type classification system used by astronomers. This star is what gives the nebula its glow, as its powerful ultraviolet radiation causes the surrounding gas to ionize and emit light. The result? A ghostly spectacle that we can admire from Earth. NGC 3242, the ghost of Jupiter, is more than just a cosmic curiosity. It's a reminder of the beauty and mystery of our universe. A dying star, shedding its layers, creating a vision that can only be described as out of this world. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that among the stars, there are ghosts, silent witnesses to the universe's endless evolution.